Standard 9, Subject English, Poem, Unit 1, 1.1, Life, written by Charlotte Bronte, who was born on 21st April 1816 to 31st March 1855, who was an English novelist and poet, who survived into adulthood and whose novels became classics of Indian literature. And this poem is a motivating and optimistic poem which encourages the reader to take a positive view of life, especially during the periods of hardship and difficulties. Now, just read some few lines more. Life is just creating yourself. Life itself is a golden opportunity. Lead it in a meaningful way and support each other, as we all are social animals. It's even said that it doesn't matter how many years you live, it matters how well you live your life. It's even said that if you want to live a happy life, tie it a goal, not to people or things. I would like to express some more lines. Sing like no one's listening. Love like you have never been hurt. Dance like nobody's watching. Live like it's a heaven on earth. Now I just start explaining the lines one by one. But let me just read the lines first. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. After little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Here the poetess takes a positive view of life. She says that life is not a dark dream as the sages say. Instead, a little rain in the morning tells us the pleasant day will follow. So we will have difficulties, but we need to tackle them. We need to have positive attitude so that we can spend joyous times in our life. Now let's go for the next lines. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but yet they are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Here it says that sometimes there are clouds of gloom, that is, problems, but they all are temporary. If a little rain helps roses to bloom, why should we feel unhappy about it? If the problems we face make for better times ahead, why should we feel grief? As I just tell, that life is full of opportunities. Grab them and make the best of it. Let's go for the next lines. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. The happy hours of our life fly very quickly and merrily. We must enjoy them happily and thankfully as they go by. So every moment of life has to be spent with a lot of happiness. So let's go with the next lines. What though the death at times step in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? This means we must accept the death as it is a reality. Death takes away the people we love the most. It also does not matter if sorrow seems to be winning over the hope, because death is unpredictable. So face it courageously. Next stanza. Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear as well. That means hope will again spring up with great elasticity. It is undefeated even though it had been learned to overcome. The golden wings of hope are still strong enough to bear us and help us to rise. So we need to be always hopeful in our life, and even in every negative situation You have to be positive. Now go for the last lines. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear. For gloriously, victoriously, can courage quell despair? This means we must bear our days of difficulties bravely and fearlessly. For the courage to face our problems can succeed wonderfully in helping us to suppress our despair. So, the life is very beautiful, it's priceless. So, we have to spend life happily and fearlessly. Thank you.